In this video, we will take a look at logging into iCommand, navigating between the screens, changing jobs, and what job locks mean. First, let's open the program and log in. At the login window, select your name and type in your password. The group and log on to fields should be selected for you. In this example, I have created 3 jobs and set up my default filter to limit my view to those 3 only. We will cover filters in another video. We are currently in iCommand looking at the job data. This is equivalent to the ATP job screen. Next, we will open iModel. iModel is where you will work on your layouts, TrustCAD, and output processor. This is basically everything else besides the job data and should be very familiar. Basically, you now have 2 separate programs. You can see that my iModel window is in Job Demo 108, as is my iCommand window. The check mark next to Demo 108 in the job list indicates what iModel job is active, while the job detail indicates my active iCommand job. This is a very important concept which has changed since ATP. You can actually have different jobs active in each part of the program. I am going to change my iCommand job to Demo 109. Note that the detail screen changes as soon as I click the new job. However, when I switch over to iModel, it is still in Demo 108. In order to update iModel to the current iCommand job, you have to click the iModel button again. This will update iModel to your current job. You must do this every time you want to work on a new job. This is also important to remember because iCommand will only allow one person in a job at a given time. So if you are done with a job, you have to remember to make another job active so that someone else can get in it, such as the batchers, for instance. You can check the iCommand Job Locks screen to see what jobs are locked and by who. This shows that I have Demo 109 open in both iCommand in the top section and iModel in the bottom section. If you have access, you can also unlock a job if you know that that person is no longer in it. This lets you make that job active. If the other person then tries to get back in that job, they will be locked out. That's all for this video, where we covered logging in, the 2 separate windows, changing jobs, and job locks. Thanks for watching.